Now, if you're trying to figure out how can you help your customers see the value of the product or the solution that you offer, there are a ton of ways you can go about that. But there is a financial way that you can go about that. Now, I know you don't really hear about this too often, but one of the simple ways to approach this, I think, is understanding your customer has their own financial targets and their own financial metrics that they are held responsible for. To be honest with you, although you may be a B2B business or you may be talking to a representative of XYZ organization, you are really dealing with another person. And that person you are dealing with has financial metrics, or they have some type of financial standards that they are held to. So you want to make sure you understand, you know what? To the person that I am having the conversation with, or to the person who is the decision maker, what are the financial metrics that matter to them in their business? And then the next thing you can do is actually think about, how does your product actually help them achieve the financial metrics that they care about? Because when you understand how your product actually is connected to their goal, then it allows you to kind of understand how to pitch your product even better. And then I would say the third thing is figuring out how to adjust your pitch to emphasize how your product actually helps them. And then I would say the fourth thing that you should do is, after you're able to pitch the deal and they say yes, what you should do is follow up with them on a regular basis to actually ask them, hey, I know that these were your financial metrics and my product helps you in this area. Actually follow up with them to have them tell you how your product is actually helping them get closer to the financial metrics. Because when you are able to help remind them that your product is helping them get closer to the goal that they wanted, they will then have a very, very good perception of your product, of you and your business in their mind. And if they have a good perception of you, then they're more likely to refer you to other people. They're also more likely to, I guess you say, give a customer a quality customer testimony. And they're more likely to buy more products from you and possibly buy your upsell products. So as you take time to do those things, those four simple things is understand what are their financial metrics. 2, understand how your product impacts those financial metrics. Number 3, adjust your pitch that it actually caters to their financial metrics. And then number 4 is regularly check in with them to understand how your product is helping them achieve their financial metrics. And if you're doing those 4 things, I guarantee you will develop such a great relationship with that customer or that client that you will notice more business coming your way, because they'll refer more people to you, they'll give you good quality testimonies, and they'll buy more of your products. Thanks for tuning in to the Business Talk Library. If you like what you heard and you want to hear more, be sure to click the subscribe button and follow us on all social media platforms as the Business Talk Library.